Yes, today I just finished my workout. I'm doing good. I am now gaining to about 110 kilos. I'm feeling strong, I'm feeling good, I'm feeling full. Past that, I'll make an updated video about that soon. Let's talk today about financial advisors being snakes. That's right. If you don't like what I have to say, please do me a follow. Just Nagache. Tot ziens. I don't need you. If you have negative comments, please post them because you are boosting my algorithm. It's going to reach more people. If you don't like what I have to say, please go and share that to everybody in your opinion about me. Let's move forward. Financial advisors are absolute snakes, and I'm going to speak why. Why are they taking your money, saying, okay, we're giving you X amount per annuity per year, and at the end of your 20-year pension, life policy, funeral cover, whatever it is, we give you X amount, and then you pay tax, you pay your broker's fees, right, and you end up paying them. Each person gets a cut. Out of that whole process, your family already lost like 30% of their profits. Now on top of that, if you have a life policy that pays out, you're going to get taxed 40%. Your money has not even reached your family member. 40% gone. Why? Because you're uneducated. You don't know what you are doing. If you had that money converted into assets, property, hard assets, and you put it in a family trust, you get taxed 0%. But your financial advisor isn't telling you that. Your financial advisor is, I'm giving you 3%, 5% per annum. The bank, I'm giving you 2-3%. But the stock markets, the SP200, or the SP500, the Nasdaq, right, the NQ, the Venture, is going up 12% per year. So they are putting your money there. Where do you think they're putting your money? You think they're putting your money in fairyland and magically making interest? No, they are putting your money there. They do it in stock markets. That's been done on Wall Street for the last 50 years. Same thing, same cycles, 30% crash, boom. Do you not see that they give you 5%, they take the other 7%? So you are getting a sixth of your money in 25 years because you're uneducated. That's why I do the mentorship program. So I teach you how to use your money in your hand and how to invest it for you. I'm not a financial advisor because I'm not a snake. I'm a normal person and knows how the system works. Don't beat the system, conquer the system. That's what Jim Rohn would say. It's liars, they manipulate. They can't even go in their firm and say the right thing. If I said what I needed to say, right now I'll get fired. Why? Because the company isn't going to make money. You not knowing what you are doing is making them money. So, your fear, first of all, your money has to be in your hand all the time. Every cent has to work for you. You need to know if it's a gold tech portfolio, stocks, index portfolio, or a crypto portfolio. You have to have your money in your wallet. Have at least gold backed up as physical coins. Don't have gold ETFs because it's manipulated by numbers. If you buy gold on ETF platforms, it's not real. People are so uneducated, and because of that, you are getting abused. Don't be an uneducated fool. Put the power back in your hand. Follow the mentorship program. Listen, get counseled, get mentored, or give your money away. Give 40% of your wealth away for the government, for the people, because why? No, I don't have time for that. Yeah, that means out of 50 years of working, 6 years of your life, you worked paying the tax, man. Where's the money? You're working for slavery. You're not free. The bank is not your friend. If you don't know how to use debt to make money, the bank is your enemy. It's not your friend. He's your friend when you know how to abuse him. Do you know how to abuse him? That's how the top 1% think. How can I use tax to my advantage? How can I use debt to my advantage? Wake up! And if you don't like what I have to say, tot ziens. The truth needs to be spoken. That's why you're broke. That's why you're poor. You are uneducated. You don't know what you are doing. You don't understand. But you let other people make your money, and then you look at the end, you're like, oh, I have to pay tax. I have to do this. Oh, I'm losing so much money. No. Wisdom builds the house. Coach Julia's out for today.